Welcome to my garden here in Ireland. Today it's a damage control day. I'm gonna be cleaning some raised beds who has a lot of weeds. So basically the day is just coming here and pinching all these small weeds. Why? Because today it's the only sunny day in several days. So all week was raining and today is shining. Thank God today it's really good, very good. So I can be here and be pinching, because if I do this when it's still raining, it's like double job. I will have to come here and pinch again these little weeds. And why I am doing this? I am taking it off these weeds because I am planting some seeds of lupin in this raised bed. So I don't wanna take it off my seeds, my little lupins, by mistake when they start to emerge from the ground. So I'm gonna be doing this today. Take it off all these weeds over here. Strange things. The weeds are more prone to grow close to the pits. I have here my tomatoes. One tomato there, one here, and one there. And I have beets here and beets there. The weeds are close to the beets, so I don't know why, but I know where these weeds come from. There is one big tree here. I don't know what kind of tree is this, but a few weeks ago we have a very windy situation here, and everything who comes from that tree laid in this raised bed and all of my raised beds, and now it's emerging this kind of weeds. So I don't want to grow one more of this tree here. So today I am coming here and pinching all these little weeds, and that's a lot, guys. That's a lot. It's not, it's not just a few ones. It's a lot. I prefer to do this when they still small, little, because I don't disturb my soil. I don't disturb all these things. Then I am carefully growing here. So that's the perfect day. Take it off while they are small, and it's a lot. It's a lot. So let it go. Basically, this raised bed, let me tell you something, guys. This raised bed was this raised bed was attacked by a lot of slugs. And I was planting here my lettuces, was full of lettuces here. And one day I woke up in the morning and all my lettuces was extremely damaged. All of them was eaten from the slugs. So what I did, I took it off, all the lettuces, all of them. I put them in my compost pile, and I decided to focus this raised bed in flowers. So I have here lavender, I have here lilac, I have marigold. I love so much marigold. I have loads of flowers here. I cannot take it off my tomatoes. I cannot take it off my beets, and I cannot take it off my radish here. Radish is still being eaten for the slugs, but I am not really worried about this, because radish, I will not eat the leaves, but the lettuces, I feel like it's disgusting when they are attacked by slugs. I don't like to eat them. Judge me. So I basically just leave these plants here, tomato, radish, and these beets, these beautiful beets. Guys, I love the leaves of the beets. I am so in love with them. They are beautiful. The colors catch my eyes. The colors, they catch my eyes like a little kids discovering the colors. So I am taking care like my child, this raised bed, because I built this. I built this raised bed, so I take care of them, and these slugs will go away from here. I already put this tape, but it's like a nothing. This tape, it's not working. Oh my God, one here. It's not doing a great job, this tape. So I don't know if you guys have any kind of advice for me for take care of these disgusting slugs. Tell me, what are you doing there in your garden? Because I don't really have big problem with slugs in my garden. It's strange, just this raised bed, just this one, it's being attacked. I presume that this is happening because my polytunnel is here, so my polytunnel is plastic. I think this combination of timber and plastic together, close, it's a beautiful space for these weeds for these slugs to come. But let me know, what do you think this? What do you think? Because this is driving me crazy. I don't really like slugs. I am disgusting them. But what we can do, we who gardening, we are prone to fight with this kind of things. So let's do some weed job here. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, yeah, and comment what are you doing to give up to finish the slugs in your garden. Every advice are welcome. I would like to try. What are you trying safely in your garden? Because these plants are my kids, they are my child. So every organic method, every organic things that you are doing are really welcome here to do in my garden. And if you are not subscribed on the channel, subscribe, help this channel to grow and find more people who are passionate with planting, with vegetables, with flowers, gardening. And thank you for watching this video. I see you on the next time.